pretty much be making like a new ramp on top of this ramp, so it'll be easier. So now Prajeet will explain about our thing. Yeah, damage. So this cover, if you take it off, this chip piece. Many chocolate eggs, but I can't carry all chip pieces.
And we need the ramp to put all this garden supply in the lawnmowers in it,
so it's easier to like push it.
So
our game plan is to put a board over this, hammer it, nail it down, and then paint it, and
be good as new.
yeah. So
let's get started.
So we measured this ramp, and it is 55 by 44 inches.
Roughly.
Yeah,
Also, we have another wood plank, like about the size of this, from a local hardware store. So get some wood planks from your local hardware store today.
So yeah, and this plank that we're gonna put is salt treated, so it can last throughout the harsh weather and winter. Okay. Now we have to show them the board that we're using. Yeah, so this is the board that we're gonna be using. This is gonna be
Salt treated.
Yeah, this is gonna be our new wood for the ramp. So we're gonna put this after we paste it and stuff. So let me put it back. Yeah, get on the back thing.
Now we are going to apply the glue, and then it is indoor-outdoor flooring adhesive, and we're going to be applying it. Can you put this down?
We're going to be using these sticks, and we're going to dip it into this is pretty much what we're going to do. Dip it in the glue and apply it. Pretty easy. There you go. Prajeet, here. Here you go.
Now I guess we'll start.
Okay, so how are you supposed to do this?
Like cement.
Excuse me? Start on the top. Oh, voila! Is what I meant to say. So we have finished putting glue on here.
So time for the real work, putting the wood plank onto the glue.
Come on, you guys. So we're going to carry it like a table, basically. Don't lift it up too much. Spin. Go on that side. What? You guys go. Why do I keep spinning? I was already correct in position. Okay, so now we've made these little marks. So this is where we're going to be nailing things, so the board will be fully sticks to the old plank. So yeah.
Let me start nailing.
Be careful. Okay, so if you are under 13, use adult supervision. But we are 13, so we're not. You guys are 12. You're 12. Yes, because our parents are filming this, so we're good. But if you're doing this alone, you just get. If supervision. There are not parents, then wait. Please wait. So we're finished with all the hardware working. Yeah. So now it is time to bring out our artistic flair, and
Now it's time to paint. Bye.
Okay, so we have our paint. Now we're ready to paint.
Let's
we
start.
have a paintbrush too, so let's start.
We're going up to down.
Or down to up.
Too thick.
Too thick. Okay, let's start here. When you get over here to my hand, can you tell me?
Why?
So I can move my hand. Okay, so the painting is finished, and we're coming back 4 hours later to check on it, and bye. So now the board's dry, and it's ready to be painted GPS on. we already sketched it out, as you can see. And Fajit will be explaining about the paint we're using. So, we have some white paint here. We chose the color white, so it's like stands out. Yeah, stands out in like a sky theme, kind of. So, let's
get started.
Let's go. Yeah. Done painting the GPS on our board. We had really fun during this video, and don't forget to try it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that ring dong bell, ding dong bell.
Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter.
And the GPS is right here. Janita Fajit's shop. And thank you guys for watching, as I already said. And
Peace out.
try this at home. It's really, really fun
But
to
make
do.
sure to
use adult supervision when you're doing the nails.
And also when you're painting, because it could get
Pasting.
everywhere.
And the pasting, don't get your fingers stuck because it's going to do all that. And peace out. Yeah.
So see you guys next time. Goodbye.
Bye.